Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Assessment. Airway assessment is done by Mallampatti scoring. With the help of Mallampatti scoring, we will assess the mouth opening. Structures seen in Mallampatti scoring include fascial pillars, uvula, and soft palate. Grade 1. In grade 1, fascial pillars, uvula, and soft palate can be visualized. In grade 2, uvula and soft palate is visualized. In grade 3, only soft palate is visualized. In grade 4, Sampson and Young grading, fascial pillars, uvula and soft palate is not seen. Only the hard palate is visible in grade 4. So Mallampatti score is used for assessment of the airway, and Mallampatti scoring has 4 grades. Grade 1, fascial pillar, uvula and soft palate is visualized. Grade 2, only uvula and soft palate is visualized. Grade 3, only soft palate is visualized. Grade 4, only hard palate is visualized, and the rest all are not seen.
thank you and thank you for watching.